girl, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you for clicking on this video. So today's video is a little bit different, not makeup related, but it is hair. It is something that we all like to do, hair, makeup, you name it. So this pretty little one right here, as you can see, I'm feeling myself, okay? This is the quickest instant up and down I have ever done in my life, okay? I usually do crochet, like I'll crochet hair in the back and then crochet it up in the bun and all that, trying to disguise and all that. You don't gotta do that with this. With this, it's so simple. So if you want to see what I did to achieve this half up, half down, okay? Keep on watching. All right, so this is how everything came out. Let me show you guys the back. Is pretty full, it's pretty long. This is, I got powder all over me, but this is how long the hair stops on me. It has this little loose curl, which is pretty cute. I feel like any texture of hair can wear this because you only have this little bit out if you blow dry your hair. And yeah, the texture of this is pretty soft, but it's enough yackiness to it to mimic, you know, natural hair. However, I have been like bouncing around, you know, with synthetic hair, you got to be careful because I'm bouncing around, moving the hair around, and I have to like make sure I detangle it as I go so that it doesn't get matted up, because that's typically where a lot of my synthetic wigs will be matted up in the back. But this is actually pretty cute. Like if you're looking for a quick hairstyle or like in between your hairstyle, then this is, yeah, this is that girl. I really like it. I don't have any much to say. I will say this top part has 2 clips. I think I showed you guys and I only was able to see one, but as I was wrapping it around, it is 2 clips on this top part. You definitely have to make sure you pin this down because it can easily like slide up as you're wrapping, and you want to make sure that that part is tight as I was showing you guys. So I had to like readjust it off camera because my mirror here is not that big for me to get that close. But this is what it is up close. You just gotta work with it a little bit, but I would say this is a 2 thumbs up for the style UD11, the instant up and down, 100% premium fiber, 1/2 wig, 1 pony wrap, and you can wear this back part. I love that this has drawstring. Like, it feels so secure, even with the combs. It just feels so secure. So this was definitely worth the buy, okay? Worth the buy. And I have it in the color 1B, so this is what the stock card looks like. If you're interested in other colors, then you can definitely check that out. I purchased mine from Amazon, so I'll be sure to list it down below for you guys to check it out. Yeah, instant up and down, can't go wrong. Can't go wrong at all. So yes, that is my final thoughts. I really like how this is looking. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I'm feeling myself. So if you are interested in this instant half up and down, it was affordable. I think it was about no more than $30. I'll have all that information in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. I'll have the link as well listed down below. So that is my final thoughts on this instant up and down. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps your girl out. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.